How to add friends in CS2. Now, if you cannot add friends directly from the game or from CS2 game, then you can actually still do it under the Steam account. Now, on your Steam account, make sure that you're fully logged in and go directly to your profile. Now, in your profile, head down to friends. And by the way, if you'd like to invite friends who you would like to play with in CS2, just go to add a friend and you should be able to see this unique code that you have. You'll just have to copy it and then send it to any platforms that you can use. So for example, in Messenger, you can use Messenger, copy this code, give this to your friend, and let your friend access your Steam account and go to this field right here, which is going to be their profile. And on this field, they have to input the code here below. So just enter the code that was given to you, and you should be able to add your friends without any problem. So all the friends that you have added here in Steam is you should be able to play with them using this method. So you can stay played with your friends on CS2 by your friends from the Steam itself. So that's it. That's the easiest way that you can do to add friends in CS2.